Do not let anyone take away self-love from you. I want everyone to see themselves in the light that they want others to see them. Pour into yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. What did I say? Regardless of anything, love yourself. Self-love should be your major priority. Love yourself unconditionally. And don't be apologetic about it. Just love yourself. Pour into yourself. The only way people can love you genuinely is when you love yourself genuinely. That's the secret. So keep loving yourself and keep doing you. That is how it works. I am Belema of Yes Mama, the African girl with the divine ultimate mandate.